Did you know there's a bird called stinkbird?
If not, I'm going to tell you a crazy facts about it.
Stinkbird, also known as Hoatzin. This bird's babies have claws. If you're wondering what a Hoatzin looks like,
I'll give you an example.
this is an example of a Hoatzin that I animated. Now back to our crazy facts.
The Hoatzin chick is born with claws on its wings.
It uses them to climb trees. It's one of the last birds with dinosaur-like traits.
Evolution left this one behind. See you tomorrow for our next animal facts.